Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're new here, we're running through all of the recipes inside the 5-ingredient Renal Diet Cookbook. All these recipes are kidney friendly and beginner friendly. It's available on Amazon, so I'll put a link in my caption, so let's get into it. Today we're making Osaka Tofu Vermicelli. For this recipe, you're gonna need rice vermicelli noodles, extra virgin olive oil, salt, pepper, and ginger, some green cabbage, and tofu. So before we get started, we're going to boil a small pot of water and we're gonna cook the noodles for 3 to 4 minutes. You're gonna drain it and then rinse it under cold water. We're gonna measure 2.5 ounces of the noodles. While that water is boiling, we want to measure out 5 ounces of tofu. I'm just gonna cut it into cubes. We're gonna heat 1.5 tablespoons of olive oil on the stove, and once that's heated, I'll take you with me and we'll add the tofu. So while we wait for the olive oil to heat up, we're going to shred some green cabbage. So you need 1/4 cup. I don't have shredded, so I'm just gonna cut mine into small bits. So there's 1/4 cup. Just for 2 to 3 minutes and then add the cabbage. Now I'm gonna add 1/4 cup of cabbage and we're gonna cook this until it softens a little. Add 1 teaspoon of ginger, a 1/16 teaspoon of salt, and an 1/8 teaspoon of pepper. So now I'm going to strain my noodles and we're gonna rinse with cold water. We're gonna add the noodles into the pan. Okay, so this is it plated, so let's give it a try. Right off the hop, I think there's too many noodles versus like the rest of the ingredients, so I would recommend maybe doing less noodles. I've actually never had these kind of noodles before, but I think when we added the ginger and the salt and pepper, I honestly feel as though doing that after adding the noodles might be better, because the noodles are just very bland, so you lose the taste. I wouldn't change much, maybe just a little bit more flavor, but overall I think it's pretty good. So just a reminder, the recipe is from this book. It is available on Amazon. I have a link in the caption, so thank you for watching. Have a great day and see you next time.